Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Millie.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
In which class do you study?
I study in ninth class.
Are you a science student or arts?
I am a science student.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Harry.
What does your father do?
He works in a private concern.
What's your mother's occupation?
She's a housewife.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
How many sisters are you?
We're 2 sisters.
Do you have any hobbies?
I like playing cricket.
When and where do you play?
I play in the playground in the evening.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, Jerry is my best friend.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite food?
Sandwich.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes.
What's your favorite subject in school?
Math.
Do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, I love swimming.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Frozen.
Do you have a big family?
Not really, just my parents, sister, and brother.
Are you a morning person or night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
Do you like art?
Yes, I like drawing.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cooking?
I love it.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, his name is Jack.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
Are you afraid of heights?
A little bit.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like.
Do you enjoy painting?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Have you ever tried surfing?
Not yet.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, but I'm shy.
Have you ever gone skiing?
Yes.
What's your favorite dessert?
Brownies.
Do you like superheroes?
Yes.
Do you watch cartoons?
Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite animal?
I like lions.
Have you been to the beach?
Yes.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I love them.
What's your favorite drink?
Lemonade.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, they're thrilling.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes.
Do you play basketball?
Sometimes.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, they're challenging.
What's your favorite fruit?
Strawberries.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I enjoy.
Have you been to a zoo?
Yes.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I know.
Do you like magic tricks?
Yes, I like.
What's your favorite cake flavor?
Vanilla.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, it's peaceful.
Do you like reading comics?
Sometimes.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, I ever.
Do you play chess?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite snack?
Chips.
Have you ever gone fishing?
Yes, I ever.
Do you like fireworks?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Do you play the piano?
I wish.
Do you like fruit smoothies?
Yes, I like.
Have you ever played tennis?
Yes, I ever.
Do you like haunted houses?
They're scary, but fun.
What's your favorite flower?
Roses.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Tea.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
Do you play badminton?
Sometimes.
Do you enjoy roller skating?
Yes, it's fun.
Have you ever played baseball?
Yes, I ever.
What's your favorite candy?
Gummy bears.
Do you enjoy drawing?
Yes, I love it.
Have you ever flown a kite?
Yes, I ever.